Hi, Boo Boo Bear. What you doing? Leia? Leia? Hi, Leia. Hmm? You drinking milk? Boo Boo Bear gonna eat? Are you gonna shake your head no, huh? Big boy. You like your carrots? Boo Boo Bear just had a temperature and didn't feel good, huh? Well, now you're gonna eat, huh? Want some more? Yeah, that's the camera. The camera. No? You got carrots on your nose. Here. Want your carrots? No? Leia, get out of that drawer. Close it. Close the drawer. Close the drawer. Leia, what did you do? Let Mommy kiss it. Let's kiss it. Okay, I'll better. Close the drawer. Good girl. Uh-oh. Mason. You gonna put your milk down? Mason. Right. Want some more? Aw. No? 8 months old telling your mommy no. Huh? No? You don't want it? What if we do airplane? Okay, no more. Boo Boo Bear. What you doing? Get that thing out of your mouth. Can I have Mimi? No. No, but you're giving it to me? Thank you. Thank you. Can I have the pink Mimi? Good girl. Come here. Get out of there. Come on. Oh, you're going to take your Mimis with you? You have to come around to get it. Come on. Come here. Leia, come here. Uh-oh, Mason. What you doing? Let's get you a toy. Yay, Mason! Reach up high. You gonna brush your teeth, Leia? Go ahead. You can reach up high and get it again? Get it, Mason! You gonna eat it?